Dude, San Francisco keeps on issuing these special marine warnings. Like, we're in the car, and now this is happening. Dude, what the heck? Oh my gosh. Dude.
I think I wanted to get some. Then I got off.
Whoa, another special
He's not gonna
marine.
eat 6. You order it on the app, it's faster. It saves 5 minutes.
Dude, another special marine warning. It's right over here. Wow. Dude, what the heck is happening?
Small craft
Dude.
suddenly higher waves.
Start munching.
Wow.
Thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters.
Oh my gosh.
To safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
I need to turn on the light. Dude, this is crazy.
Papá se comió por breakfast 3.